Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install of this 18-inch bang wig from Lumiere Hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and hop into it. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here I have the wig from Lumiere. You guys know I have been obsessed with bangs lately, so I am super excited to play with this wig a little bit. But let's go ahead and open this package together and see what we're working with. So, this wig is a little shorter, but I have a really cool idea for the exact styling of this wig I want to do. So, let's see what we have. Okay, what is this, honey? What is this? Oh wow, is this like a little tape-in extension? Oh, this is like a clip-in extension. So this is pretty cool. It's like hot pink. This is like the Nicki Minaj, you put it like at the back of your hair. This is very the Bedrock era Nicki Minaj. So it comes with a wig cap. Here you go, a wig cap. And here's a flyer telling you how to take care of the hair, to style the hair, and also their social medias. Of course, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box. But okay, you guys, here it is. So here's the bag. Yeah, I didn't show you all the bag, but here's the bag. So here is the wig. It's 18 inches, but I've been seeing these really cute, shorter bang looks lately, so I'm excited to play with this a little bit. Let's see. Take it out. It also has a little bit of color in it, y'all. Like, what? That is gonna eat. So you all see the color is there. That is so pretty. Let's take off this netting so we can really look at this wig. Oh, this is actually a frontal wig. I did not know that. Oh, this color is gorgeous. I love this. This color is really pretty. Like, look at that. It's very flowy. It is eating, so a lot of the color is towards the back. But yeah, this is really cute. So let's actually take out this paper. So here is the wig. It comes with an elastic band here, which is great. If you want to rock it glueless, you can rock it glueless. It does have combs in it, so it comes up here, right here, and in the back. And of course, the band is adjustable if I didn't show you all that. But this is a 13x4 wig. I did not know that. I was not expecting that either. So this is really cool. So yeah, you can play with the parting a lot. I did have an idea for how I wanted to do the parting, but we'll do that in a little bit. But yeah, this is the wig. The color is really eating right now. I am obsessed with this color. Like, I love a good highlighted wig. So let's go ahead and install this wig, you guys. First things first, I'm going to spray the lace with a little bit of lace tint. You won't be able to see too much lace because of this specific style, but I don't want it to be like this white cast or anything. So we're gonna add a little lace tint. And then I'm gonna blow dry this. Okay, let's go ahead and slap this wig on really quick and see what we're working with. Oh, this is really cute. Cute. Let's see. So yeah, there's the blonde, but okay, we're gonna play with this. Let me slide it back a little bit. And let me go ahead and clip these bangs up so I can actually install this wig without messing up the bangs. Clip all this back so we can see what we're working with. So I typically like to work in threes, so I am going to add like a little slit here at each temple, or thirds, you guys. And I'm actually going to go ahead and cut off the lace. When I actually install my wigs just using spray, I like for the lace to already be cut off. So let's cut off this lace. And guys, I just used a little 99-cent eyebrow razor, if you all can tell. So I'm going to add a little lace spray. We're gonna do 3 layers and apply this wig really quickly. So let me push the wig back a little bit. And I'm just kind of spreading the spray out with my finger to get my entire, like, well, where I want the hairline to be. And we're just gonna blow dry that, and this is gonna be layer 1, you guys. Okay, so now let's do layer 2. Okay, in layer 3, we're gonna do a little bit differently. So I'm gonna spray, and then I'm just gonna put the wig down where I want it to be and then blow dry. So let's do it. So it is a very easy and fast install, you guys. And we are done. So let's go ahead and start styling this wig now that we have it installed. But you all see this beautiful color. Okay. Ooh, these bangs are really, really cute. So firstly, I think I want like a side part situation going on. I think that would be kind of cute. Let's do that. Oh. Okay, let's kind of mold this hair so it stays over to the side. But I think I want to kind of curl the hair, like whoop, scoop it. So let's see how it looks scooped the other way, because it is kind of scooped inward. So let's scoop it outward and see what happens. Like this. So I think I'm gonna do a middle part again. Let's keep the middle part in this wig. So. This is a really good wig to just like throw on because it's really not that much you have to do. And you do not have to glue this wig down at all. I promise you, you do not. Like, as you can see, you can't see any lace regardless. So you do not have to glue this wig down. But it's great because you also have the option to do like an updo if you ever want an updo or anything. Let's kind of cuff the hair inward, like bam. I look so mature and grown, I would say, with this hairstyle. This hairstyle is giving very much grown. And it's kind of like a mullet style, which is kind of high fashion, I would say. It's like kind of, it looks like a mullet a little bit. I like it. It's very mullet-like. Yeah, it's kind of like, it's giving Miley Cyrus and her mullet a little bit. That's what it is giving. I wonder, I don't know if I want to cut the bangs because they are just laying so pretty. Like, these bangs are like so pretty. So I don't know if I want to cut them, but I think normally I would have my bangs a little shorter than this. But let me kind of like move them to the side so you all can see my eyes just a little bit. But yeah, I actually really love these bangs and the way the bangs are cut. So you could pin it up a little bit if you want a little more blonde to show. But yeah, this is pretty cute, you guys. Yeah, that is it. Like, is there anything else I really want to do? I mean, if you curl it, you could see even more blonde. But of course, when you turn around, you see all the blonde. The blonde is really back here. It's like business in the front and party in the back. Like, it's really giving mullet, which is pretty cute. Like, it's giving mullet for sure. You could add some extra layers if you really want a mullet, but that is what it is giving. So, once again, this wig is from Lumiere. I'm going to link it in the description box. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.